Hello friends and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to use Google Classroom. Well, we are all in this lockdown period and I guess we all must be looking for a way to engage with our students through virtual method. And I guess the Google Classroom is the best way. So, without wasting any more time, let's begin. So now, to begin with Google Classroom, you need a Google account. That is a Gmail account. I have already logged into an account, but for my Google Classroom, I have created a separate account for it. Now, you don't need to enter into Gmail for this. All you have to do is look for these boxes clustered together, click on it, scroll to the bottom, and you'll find Google Classroom there. Wait for it to load, and right in front of you, you will have your Google Classroom opened up. So you don't have to create any classroom, but Google has already created it for you. All you need to do is create specific classes for yourself and for your students. So how do you do that? I'm going to show you. Right in front of me, I have already some classrooms in progress. So each of these classes are labeled differently. There are different set of students in them. So now in order to create a class, you have to look for this plus sign again on the right hand side. You click on it and go to create a class, checkbox, continue. Now class name you can rename it to anything. I will put it as class 1, section A, subject English, and room probably I will put it at 6. So let me go ahead and create this class. You have it, your class is ready. Now if you do not like this theme, you can select a different theme. Since I'm on the topic of English, maybe I'll select something which would be a little more appealing to me and to my students. So now the most important thing here is the class code. You can enlarge it. This is what you need to give to your students. Now once you give this to your students, you can select, copy it, paste it in email or messages and send it across. So with the help of this code, they will be able to enter into your class. So every class that I showed you here has a unique code to it. Now let me get back to my class that I just created. So this is the class code I was talking about. Now right here below, you can begin by sharing something with your class, and I can also attach a link to it from any of these options, and I can post it. So this is like my announcement to the class, just how you announce it to students. I will show you the other tabs right at the top here. So this is where you can create assignments, quizzes, questions. You can post material to the students. You can also reuse post. How? Let me show you one of these. How do you create an assignment or anything as such? Now here, make sure it is assigned to all students. You can put in marks. Maybe I'll leave it at 10. You can set a due date here. Maybe I'll allow them to submit it after a week. I mean, by week. You can set a time too, but I don't want to do that. So finally, your assignment is ready. You click on assign. Okay, so the classwork is ready. This is how it will look like. On the next tab, you will see the number of students who have joined your class. I don't have any students here since none of them have joined, and also I haven't given any of them my code. This is where you'll find the grades of all the students which you will have to grade. let me show you how this looks on a regular class once it is full with students. So this is a classroom. So this is where I've posted assignments. This is how the classwork will look. These are the tasks I have posted in the past. These are the number of students here, and you will see grades. These are the grades that will be assigned to the students, okay, as and when they turn in their assignments, fine, and they also get a percentage. So that's about it. Your Google Classroom is ready. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.